Join me for a tour of this stunning brand new construction Cape Cod home in Pasadena, California. Let's take a tour as we enter the front yard, greeted by a rose garden walkway offset by a beautiful bird bath leading you to the French style front door. And as we enter the home, we see an impressive double staircase with an elegant dining room which faces the impressive front patio views of the expansive yard. Coming back to the other side of the house, we find a very practical guest room on the first level. On the main foyer, we absorb the impressive 23-foot ceilings before we ascend the double staircase to the large upstairs media room, which has private access to its own balcony overlooking the luscious backyard and pool area. Notice the mature hedge around the property, offering great privacy and greenery and a peaceful place to enjoy the offset spa and Baja shelf, which are great features to have in a pool on a sunny day in SoCal. Returning inside, we take a peek at the laundry room next to an attractive junior primary suite with well-organized walk-in closets, maximizing the high ceiling storage space and fun geometric bath tile patterns, not foregoing the great light that comes from the windows facing the backyard. And as I pause to consider my next steps, here's a sneak peek at the primary suite with private balcony, crystal chandeliers, wall sconces, ceiling mounted music, a beautiful hallway leading to the bath, and we'll come back in a minute to see the bathroom after we see the other 3 bedrooms on the upper level, including a nice shared bathroom with hexagonal floor tile, marble tub siding, finished closets throughout, and this stunning junior primary suite with a Juliet balcony overlooking the front rose garden. Now, in the master bath, I wish I had a better shot. However, know that the shower is amazing with full floor-to-ceiling marble and double vanity with makeup station next to this impressively finished primary walk-in closet. As we head downstairs, we can appreciate the practicality of an amazing office space adjacent to the living room with its own chandelier and beautiful views to the backyard. Next to the office is the butler's pantry area with large powder room for dinner guests, and here we remind ourselves of the beautiful millwork and attention to detail before we head through the living room to the chef's kitchen, which is loaded with top-of-the-line appliances, marble counters, massive island with front and side seating, fully enclosed pantry, and French doors with easy access to the backyard. Here we are on the elegant rear-covered patio with pendant lamps, outdoor sound, and views of the private backyard, which is perfect for hosting family and friends. We hope that you enjoyed this tour as much as we've enjoyed providing it to you. Please let us know if you're interested in something similar, subscribe for more, and drop us a comment to let us know what you'd like to see next.